Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in your Peacock TV account. Peacock TV is an online streaming platform where you can watch TV shows and movies online. Here you can stream iconic shows and movies, exclusive Peacock originals, live news and sports and many more. So in order to log in your Peacock TV account, first of all you have to open any browser of your choice. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.peacocktv.com. Press enter. Here you can see the official website for Peacock TV is now opened. If you see at the top right corner, you will see two options, sign in and get started. If you do not have an account, you can click on get started and get started with Peacock TV. But if you have an account, you can directly click on sign in. Now you have to enter your email. After entering your email, continue button will be activated. Click on the continue button. Now you have to enter your password. Make sure to enter the password that you had kept while creating the account. Now you have to simply click on the sign in button. After clicking on this button, you will be signed in your account. You can see here I'm officially logged in my account. So that's how you log in your Peacock TV account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.